Hey everyone, welcome back. To celebrate God in the Helliverse reaching 100K on YouTube, I wanted to create a special illustration. And for that, Veikk sent me their new VK1200 V2 pen display. So let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you get everything you need: cleaning cloth, glove, the tablet itself. The tablet is super sleek and compact. I really love the all-metal body and the full-screen design. It feels premium, but it's still lightweight and portable. Two pens, yep, two, and all the cables you'll need. A bunch of nibs, a pen holder. I also highly recommend getting the stand bundle for better posture and comfort. Setup was surprisingly simple. You can plug it in either with a single USB-C cable or the HDMI plus USB combo. Both options are included. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and even Android if you have USB 3.1 with DisplayPort. I had mine running in just a few minutes, no hassle. And it works great with Clip Studio Paint, Photoshop, and other creative programs. The 6 customizable shortcut keys are really useful, especially when you're animating or switching tools often. Now for the fun part, I'm using the VK1200 V2 to draw a God illustration to celebrate our 100K milestone. The screen is 11.6 inches, full HD, anti-glare, and fully laminated, which means almost zero parallax. It honestly feels super close to drawing on paper. The new AG glass really makes the colors pop, and it resists smudges and scratches. Everything feels clear and vibrant. The pen is battery-free, has tilt support, and offers 8,192 levels of pressure, so it's really responsive and smooth. Drawing with it felt natural, and I was able to get the detail and flow I needed for this piece without any friction. Overall, I'm really impressed with the VK1200 V2. For its price, it delivers a solid drawing experience with professional-level features. If you're working on digital art, comics, or animation like God in the Helliverse, it's a great choice, especially if you want something portable and reliable. Thank you all so much for helping me reach 100K. Check the description and I'll see you in the next video.